How much is a truly reliable crypto data feed worth to you? In the fast-paced world of digital assets, having the right information at the right time isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's what separates a confident, informed trade from a risky guess. The data challenge. The crypto market runs 24/7 across dozens of exchanges, creating a massive, fragmented stream of data. For traders, developers, and institutions, the core challenge is consistency. How do you ensure the price data you're seeing isn't skewed, manipulated, or incomplete? This is where Kraken benchmarks and data feeds step in. Kraken's solution, benchmarks. Kraken, through its regulated entity CF benchmarks, provides institutional-grade reference rates for major digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These aren't just simple volume-weighted averages, they are meticulously constructed benchmarks, regulated by the UK's FCA and aligned with the IOSCO principles for financial benchmarks. Why does this matter? Trust and compliance. For financial institutions and regulated funds, using a compliant benchmark is crucial for reporting, portfolio valuation, and product creation like ETFs. Settlement confidence. The most famous example? The CME-CF Bitcoin reference rate, which is used to settle major Bitcoin futures and options contracts. It's the globally accepted, authoritative price for institutional crypto settlements. These benchmarks bring the rigor of traditional finance to the crypto space, eliminating ambiguity. Real-time data feeds. Beyond the hourly or daily benchmarks, Kraken's data feeds give you the raw, real-time market pulse. Utilizing their API and WebSockets, Kraken streams continuous, low-latency data straight from their exchange. You get real-time trades, every single tick, with a direction and a timestamp, giving you true market microstructure. Order book depth, full, minute-by-minute snapshots of bids and asks. No guessing games, you see the exact liquidity profile. OHLCV data, the open, high, low, close, and volume data essential for technical analysis and charting. For algorithmic traders, this level of detail and reliability is non-negotiable. It allows for advanced strategy development, rigorous backtesting, and fast, automated execution with minimal slippage. Summary: building on certainty. In short, Kraken's benchmarks provide the gold standard for market valuation and institutional compliance, while their data feeds offer the raw, high-velocity information needed for precision trading and quantitative analysis. They provide the fundamental building blocks, trust, accuracy, and speed that the entire digital asset economy relies on. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.